This is Audrey with Cooking Couture Atlanta. We got another car confession going on. Oh, come on now. About to have a car collision.
Continue on River Road for 3 miles.
That was ugly. Yeah, I just couldn't see it. Okay, so on my way to try to do something else to my hair again. So I really need to color this gray. I'm not good at, I need one of them combs, like, I need one of them blow dryer combs to go on the end of my blow dryer, because mine only got like 2-3 teeth in it. That's really my daughter. My daughter broke down because she got all that hair. But I need all the combs so I can get it straight. But as long as I get it enough where they can start braiding it, I don't really care. It is growing. I want it to stay healthy. I don't want it to be gray. I remember one time I wanted to buy a wig that looked just like this. A big old afro blowing everywhere. The wig actually looked better than the real thing. I don't know. Just having your hair all over your head just don't feel right some kind of way. Anyway, so they done distracted me. Them water boys, I am over the water boys. I used to have a little thing in my heart for the little water boy. But now that's like some kind of rite of passage when you become about 10 years old in Atlanta, is to go out and sell water on the street. It ain't, I don't know. It's weird. I don't like it anymore. They walk all across the car like they daring you to hit them. They coming all up on the cars like they just gonna take your little dollar. And then they had the nerve to ask you if you want the water. Yes, I want my water. Shit. Anyway, so first of all, I want to say Instagram is the bomb now. Trying to find you something, especially last minute. I think I'm gonna start a website for last minute motherfuckers. Like anything you want at the last minute, you could go on my website, and people that's fucking with some last minute shit, they could register. Vendors, like you bake cakes and you ain't got nothing going on one particular day, or people canceled on you, or you got extra shit, you could just log in, kind of like Uber or something. You can log in and either post what you have to sell at the last minute, or your services. You need to make some extra money, you cool, something that you had planned didn't work out. You could register your service, and then people that's looking for last minute shit, I think I'm about to do that. People that's looking for last minute shit like me right now, I'm looking for somebody to I can't even say it. I need somebody to, this B-A-K-E, me a cake. I can't even say it because I know I need to just be up all night baking cakes. I don't want to. Damn. Wish I could find somebody to B-A-K-E me a cake for something I got going on Sunday. But I need somebody also to C-O-O-K me some food. That is ridiculous. I swear I don't want to do nothing. I want something good. I actually, and I really want some stuff from some chefs that I have seen their food. I want some stuff from some people that cook some different stuff than what I cook, or cook it differently. Boy, I see some stuff on Instagram, and that stuff be looking so good. Some of that stuff I be like, whatever. And some of them, oh, that's cute. Some of that stuff be looking so good. I be like, damn, this shit look good. I wish I could order some from some people. I'm trying, but I'm last minute. I am so last minute. Anyway,
continue on Boulder Crest Road for half a mile.
I'm gonna start a website that link up all last minute shit. That's the bomb. Last minute services and products. Cause I know on Christmas Eve in the evening, boy, I be wanting stuff. Everything closed. And if you got something that you want to sell or some leftover stuff that didn't sell or whatever, that could really be the bomb. Kind of like Craigslist or something, but off last minute shit. I have to make that happen. Gotta talk to my tech guy about that. How we could do it. How we can make that happen. Okay. That's really what I was getting on here to talk about. It's my last minute ask. I'm going, and then how I love Instagram, how people posting their stuff and you can go on and see it and decide if you want to mess with them or not. I think that is great. All right. I think when I don't have nobody to FaceTime, then I be wanting to come on here. Nah, for real though. Let me pay attention in this Atlanta traffic. Let me go and get my hair. I'm going to get my hair braided. I'm trying something new. Okay, so everybody gassed me up so bad about how young I look when I got the braids. I think I'm doing braids all summer. Stop playing with me. They got so many different kind of styles of braids and stuff. And I don't know, it's just a whole new look. It's something different for me. I'm in there like swimwear. I'm doing it. I even thought 5 minutes about wearing a swimsuit. I've been getting too gassed up.
Sharp left onto the I-285 West
I brought myself back down to reality. I will have some braids for the holiday, but the swimsuit, yeah, we gonna hold off on that for a minute. All right, and so everybody that loves me, keep your fingers and toes still crossed for this role that I auditioned for, and I want it so bad, and we haven't heard anything yet. So keep plugging for the sister, please. And I don't wanna roll my window up because I want to get some of this fresh air. Take me some deep cleansing breaths.
Continue on I-285 West for 5 miles.
Give me some oxygen, not die on camera. So I will holler at you lovelies later. I'll get back with you when I get my braids, and we'll see what's up. Because the last person that did my braids was not what was up at all. Hey, I got me some more braids. They all the way down to my butt. I'm so excited about it. Let me tell you, baby, I was going to see this young lady. This one young lady was gonna do my braids this morning. This young lady right here can't drive. Oh, her hair cute. All right, hold on. I hate to admit that I'm at this ghetto Lenox, but I'm doing a favor for a friend because I got my hair braided over here. Okay, so real quick, let me give y'all my little ghetto update. So I found this girl on Instagram. So I found this girl on Instagram, and I was gonna go get my hair braided this morning. I was all excited, ran home, washed my hair, blow dried it out, follow all the instructions on her Instagram page. Okay. So I get there, I wanna be walk-in, and her first appointment is at 11 o'clock, so I wanna be the first walk-in, so I get there at 9:45. So I'm waiting and stuff. What was the quarter? I'm exaggerating. I got there 11:15. I'm gonna be honest, since this is a car confession. I didn't see nobody. I didn't see her place. Nothing was open. Other people was open. So I called her. I ain't coming today. I woke up and I ain't feel good. I posted, which she did not, because I was on her Instagram page getting her number. I posted that I wasn't coming. I'll be back there tomorrow. Okay. My hair is all over my head right now. I couldn't come to y'all because I was tripping all day, calling people, trying to find people. And I seen this one girl. I stalked her and followed her, asked her who did her braids. And then she told me a girl. And then the girl said, I'll do you right after I finish this twist. But I should have asked, how long do you think it'll be before you finish the twist? Because she just called like 5 minutes ago saying, I'm ready. And I was taking pictures with my hair when she called. Baby. And then I had to go in and buy this hair. I don't know how to buy hair, but I'm learning. I didn't know what to buy, what to do. I ain't know none of that. I have been worn out, all right, with this hair. My hair was all over my head. I was trying to do stuff all day, and people that love me was like, no, go get your hair done. Find somebody to do your hair with the quickness. So I'm about to run in this mall for Leslie. She told me she know right where these shorts at. I'm feeling good. Messed around and let the tickets to the Hawks game expire. So I was supposed to be going to a Hawks game tonight. Not going to the Hawks game. That's really cool with me. Now I gotta tell Dina we ain't going. I'm really good with it. I'm about to run in here and get these. I'm about to throw this all the way down to my butt. I'm about to throw these braids. Hey. That's look, I need a picture like that. So it finally worked out, and I just resigned. And who's supposed to do my hair gonna do my hair. That's whose energy I'm supposed to be around. That's whose hand's supposed to be in my head. And I was stuck in traffic. It was horrible in Buckhead. So I was stuck in Buckhead in traffic, and I Googled braids near me, and the first one, Essence of Braids, came up, and she got me in, and she did not hurt. Like one time, I'm like the most tender-headed person with hair ever, and yeah, it didn't hurt at all. She was great. She had a great attitude. She just couldn't do none of all the little fancy young people styles that I was trying to be on. She wasn't doing none of them, but she was cool. I think her price was fair, and I'm out. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.